Hey, it's Sammy on July 9th. We took 3 trades today for 2,641 pips. Let's take a look and check out what happened with the first trade. All right, so this is the open, and we started shorting because we were actually holding high time frame momentum, high time frame sentiment, and a volatility break on the 30-minute chart. Now, we had a major problem with our broker. It was freezing up. All of us had the same trouble, so we ended up manually closing this trade. We originally were aiming down towards that daily low of yesterday, but we closed this trade out with 900 pips even. As you can see, the data was incredibly powerful and locking. Really wish broker wouldn't have been freezing us up, but ultimately the trade went down to where we were planning it. So as you can see, that trade pulled back off of that weekly pivot. This gave us an opportunity. We had a tremendous amount of volatility breaks, awesome sentiment lined up, and if you look at that top panel, we had really incredible momentum to the short side. So we jumped back in the trade a couple minutes later. We're doing what's called a floor trade. All we're trying to do is get down to that previous low. You can see where we have our take profit set right below yesterday's low and above that weekly pivot slightly. Of course, we're going to move that stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect this trade. And we come down and slam our take profit for 987 pips. I had a strategy session this afternoon at 1 o'clock, so right before that I was able to actually take this long. Every trade leaves a thumbprint when it comes to data, so we know exactly what we're looking for. We know that we can enter this trade right here, right above this 23.6 Fibonacci level. We're going to push a new high a day and try to hit up to that 38.2 zone where that daily pivot is. Once the trade gets underway, we're going to go ahead and lock in that stop loss up to break even plus 25 to protect our psychology, protect this equity, and protect our trade. And you can see we're hitting this take profit area, locking in 754 pips.